It is lesson number 87. Friends, hope you're all happy and enjoying yourselves. In this new lesson, we're going to be learning signs for animals. Let us take a look at some signs for animals. Bear, black and hair, and the walk sign for bear. Bear. Chimpanzee. Monkey sign. Chimpanzee. Cheetah. Cheetah. Giraffe, the neck. Giraffe. Koala, the nose. Koala. Monkey. Monkey. Fox. Fox. Ox. Horns and the finger spelling OX. Ox. Wolf. Wolf. Zebra. Signs for horse, black and white stripes. Zebra. Let's revise once. Signs for animals. From lesson number 16, lesson number 61, and the present lesson 87. Cat. Dog. Birds. Cow. Rabbit. Elephant. Fish. Hen. Snake. Lion. Goat. Sheep. Lamb. Buffalo. Horse. Rhinoceros. Hippopotamus. Tiger. Leopard. Camel. bear, chimpanzee, cheetah, giraffe, koala, monkey, fox, ox, wolf, zebra. Friends, please feel free to inform us of any of your needs. We are here to support you in your learning and practicing exercises. If you have any ideas, you are most welcome to share your feelings and post your comments. Plus, also get your friends to join you and learn together. Thank you. Bye-bye.